watch as I transform my Upwork profile to make it more visible on Upwork. So let's go. So I want to revamp my profile. It's been a while. It's been a couple of months. So this is what my main profile looks like. It wasn't like this originally. I changed some things a couple of months ago. So now I feel the need to update my information. You're free to make changes to your profile anytime, right? So I've been doing a certain kind of job lately, and I want to change my profile to fit into those kind of roles, since I already have job samples from those kind of job. So but first, let's go over to my personalized profile for you to see how that one looks. Take note of my profile titles for both profiles, so when I make the change you can see the difference. So here, this is my personalized profile. I just abandoned this one. It has just been like this for some time, although I had gotten a job through this personalized profile before, because the reason for this is to be able to apply for jobs that need those specific skills. So now I am back to make changes to both my main profile and my personalized profile. One thing to keep in mind when revamping your profile is keyword. Ensure that you stuff your profile with keywords that makes you appear in searches. Without wasting any more time, let's go to my revamped profile. 1, 2, ready, go! Here we are. I made changes to my profile title, which you can see. So I've been doing more of influencer research and all of that. I changed the background of my profile picture. I want it to be bold, and easily seen from afar. So I changed my title to reflect the jobs that I've been doing lately that I already have lots of work samples for. Then my overview, I completely erased the one that was there before, because I have to write something that will reflect my new work title, right? And the things that I do based on my title. So going down, you can see that I still used the same framework, my skills, what I can do, and why you should work with me. So that's still the framework, just a different kind of information, different piece of information rather. Then down to the portfolio, I added 2 new work samples. So now let's go down to my skill selection. I also had to change my skill selection to match my new title. Remember this job I talked about the last time? Yeah, that's the job. Ignore it, we've moved past that. So going down to my skill selection. Now, this selection is different from the skill selection I had before. If you're changing your title, you have to change your skill selection to match your new title. The reason is because you can have skills that do not match the job title. You say that you're a graphic designer, but there's nothing about that in your skill selection. That's wrong. So ensure that skill selection matches your new title. That's also going to help you appear in job search, because if they search for a particular job using a particular keyword, if you have it in your skill selection, it will pop up. Now let's go to my personal assistance. This is my personal assistant profile, like my specialized profile. I also change my title here because I want to be more specific. I feel that the one I had written before was just there. So here I am offering 3 main services. I'm very specific about that. I don't want to be all over the place. Being all over the place makes you like a jack of all trades. So now I started with writing this, putting it there, and then the services I offer, I broke it down to the different things that I can do based on that particular service. So here I have administrative support and data entry, then I have accountability support, and these things that I put here, these are areas that I have experience in. So I figured out that if I do something that I already have experience in, it will be easier for me instead of looking for something entirely new. So if you already have an experience in a particular area, you can change that to your personalized profile to be easier for you. So now the same framework I used for the other one. Don't forget, always add a call to action. So when someone is done checking, they'll be moved to message you. You can see that I also updated my portfolio on this profile too. This one is extracted from the main profile. So once you click on add portfolio, it will just add. Then my skill selection. This skill selection also matches the profile title for this specialized profile. It took me over 3 days to get this whole thing set up. Take your time, research, and make the necessary changes. Yeah, so that's it, guys. So thank you so much for sticking to the end of the video. I'm going to keep you updated on my profile views and job invites, hopefully. So let's see what this is going to bring to me. And also, I would like you to also work on yours. As you're watching me right now, pick it up and start working on it. Stop procrastinating, right? Stop delaying your chances. And this does not apply to just Upwork, any other platform you're using. After a while, you need to make changes, Bye. See you in my next video. Please do well to like, comment, and share. Bye.